So if you are in artificial intelligence, machine learning, you want to learn, come into this domain, the language to learn is Python. And if you know Python, you can use a lot of libraries and machine learning algorithms, and many of the things use Python. So that is the language to learn. So in this video, I'll show you how you can start learning it. I'll just show you how you can print a simple calendar in Python. So here I have calendar.python. You can use Visual Studio to compile it. So you have import calendar, year YY 1955, month is 3, and then you have the command or the function which you call print calendar.month, and then bracket YYMM. YY you put 1955, MM is 3. And import calendar has all the functionalities which the calendar will print for you. So that's why you use the import. It's a sort of a library. And how you can run this application is you simply from the terminal, or you can also run as a from the menu bar. And then once I run it, you see the whole calendar as I show you here. The whole month of 1955, March 1955 is printed as a calendar. And if you want to change the year and then change the month, as I do now, and then you can run without debugging, and then you'll see the next year. So if I go down, then you see the June 2020 is printed. So that's how you basically print. It's so simple to learn Python, and I would definitely start learning Python if I want to come into machine learning or artificial intelligence domain. Later I'll provide other ML or machine learning Python things soon. But for now, just start to learn Python with this simple tutorials. So hope you understood a little bit. I will explain more about Python in coming videos.